If you need to delete a slide in LibreOffice Impress, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you accidentally added the wrong slide, want to clean up your presentation, or simply remove extra content, this is one of the easiest editing tasks you can do in Impress. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice starts, you can either create a new presentation or open one of your existing files. If you're starting fresh, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation you want to edit, open that file instead. Now that your presentation is open, take a look at the slide thumbnails on the left side of the screen. These thumbnails show every slide in your presentation, and this is where you'll choose the slide you want to remove. Click the slide once to make sure it is selected. Then, right-click on that slide thumbnail to open the Options menu. From the menu that appears, look for Delete Slide and click it. As soon as you select that option, LibreOffice Impress will remove the slide from your presentation. The slide will disappear from the thumbnail list and it will no longer be part of your file. That's really all there is to it. Just to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create your presentation, right-click the slide you want to remove, and choose Delete Slide. It's a fast and simple way to clean up your presentation and keep only the slides you actually need. If you accidentally delete the wrong slide, don't worry. You can usually undo the action right away by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard or by using the undo button in the toolbar. That can save you if you make a mistake while editing. And there you go. Now you know how to delete a slide in LibreOffice Impress. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.